Hi, and welcome to Module 3 for this 16-week semester. This module continues to focus on business trends, cultivating a business in diverse global environments. By the end of this module, you will meet the learning objectives for Chapter 2 listed on page 3.2 of this module. To meet these objectives, you will need to complete the following activities and assessments. First, as always, remember to read your textbook, Understanding Business, Chapter 2, specifically Understanding Economics and How It Affects Business. Next, you will review the chapter PowerPoint slideshow. Again, you have access to the instructor version of the chapter PowerPoint slides, which can be downloaded as a PDF file by clicking here. Click the next button to advance to the next module page. Here you will watch another video case titled Opportunity International. It's related to Chapter 2 content. You have access to the transcript for this video under the attachments heading, so you may want to download and or print it out to help you with the related information in the module. While you're watching the module, I'd like you to contemplate these questions for further follow-up moving forward. Click the next button to advance to the next module page. On this page, you will find a hands-on assignment titled Balancing the Federal Budget. Please follow the assignment instructions carefully. Before beginning this assignment, take time to visit these helpful resources available for additional information on the subject. Also, before beginning the assignment, you want to take the time to check out the current real-time national debt clock to see the actual current dollar amounts for our national debt. You can click here, and that will take you to our actual United States debt clock. Check out the interesting economic data that you see here. This is the actual United States national debt as we're speaking, right here. That's how much it is. You can also check out state debt clocks and the world debt clocks by clicking the buttons up here on the top. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can find links for mortgage loan calculator, information on the gold supply and demand, many other interesting pieces of economic information down here. Have some fun here. Once you've had enough of this daunting information, or if your eyes have begun to cross, you can move on to the module assignment. So let's click back on the module assignment here. Again, read the instructions very, very carefully. You'll want to open up the Excel spreadsheet that I have made available for you here by clicking on the Chapter 2 activity spreadsheet for balancing the proposed federal budget. Make sure you click the Enable Editing button and immediately save your document using the format that I list here in your assignment on item number 6. Once you have done that, you can determine which of these line items you want to change. These are obviously not all of the line items in the federal budget. It's just some of the more popular ones, as it were. And so what you need to do is you need to click in the box under the proposed value and determine how much money, these are receipts, how much money do you actually want coming in from the constituencies in individual income taxes? How much do you think corporate income taxes should be? And so on and so forth. This is all in the income, the receipts. Once you have made your changes there, you can go down to the outlays and determine how much you think should actually be the proposed value for defense, non-defense, education, agriculture, and so on and so forth. This spreadsheet is set to automatically calculate whether you have a surplus or a deficit, at the end of your entering your information. You will submit and save and submit this spreadsheet along with a separate Microsoft Word document where you will be explaining to me why you made the changes that you did in the Excel spreadsheet. Give me real justification for why you did it. And if you have evidence to prove why it's necessary to do it the way you did it, you need to cite those sources as well. Therefore, you will be using the MLA style format. Remember to contact me as soon as possible if you need further clarification or if you have any problems accessing any of the hyperlinks uh, to the websites or the Excel spreadsheet. Remember to use the grading rubric at the bottom of the page as a checklist to ensure you meet all the criteria at a proficient level. Moving next, you will complete the Module 3 review quiz. This quiz is worth 10 points and consists of questions related to the content from Chapter 2, which we reviewed in this module. Again, this review quiz has a time limit of 30 minutes and gives you 2 attempts to earn the highest score possible. The deadline due date for this quiz is up here on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Once again, I want to remind you, please don't wait until the last minute to complete and submit your work. We don't want the maintenance to impact, even though they say it doesn't. I hope this video helped guide and prepare you for the module requirements, and I look forward to seeing your spreadsheets and reading your reasons for any of the changes that you made to the Balancing the Federal Budget assignment. Have a great week.